Are you ready to turn Zillow's property listings into your personal goldmine of real estate leads? First, define your ideal client by using Zillow's filters to narrow your search by location, property type, price range, and number of bedrooms. This will show you the specific type of listings you want to target. Next, on each listing, identify the listing agent or brokerage. This is your primary contact. Click on the Contact Agent button to reveal contact information such as name, phone number, and email. Then, systematically record the information from each listing in a spreadsheet or CRM. This organized data is crucial for follow-up and tracking. Be sure to include property address to reference the lead to a specific listing. To automate this process, consider Zillow Lead Extractor Chrome extensions. Some are free, some are paid, but they all promise to streamline data gathering. But be careful to read the privacy policy before downloading one, and only download from official websites. After extracting leads, don't just let them sit. Immediately follow up with personalized messages expressing interest in the property or offering assistance. Mentioning specifics about the listing shows you've done your homework. Finally, utilize a multi-channel approach by connecting with leads through email, phone calls, and text messages to increase your chances of engagement. Consistent follow-up will land you clients in no time.